Minutes and 32 seconds left for the third quarter. 2 minutes and 32 seconds. Number 14, Baraki now. Dire-diretso. Intercept by 21. 21 na dribbling the ball. Naghahanap ng papasahan. Dire-diretso. There's a foul. Foul by the Nubio. 27.
Foul on number 27. First personal foul. Penalty.
Penalty situation na po. 2 minutes and 24 seconds. 2 minutes and 24 seconds left for the third quarter. Now there's a chance for the last free throw line. No basket. Rebound by number 13. 13 pass to number 2, Ramos. Ramos naghahanap ng papasahan. Dribbling ball, dire-diretso. Heavy traffic, heavy guarded. There's a foul.
Foul on number 24. Third personal foul on number 24. Penalty.
2 minutes and 14 seconds left for the third quarter. First free throw. No basket. Not connected by a first free throw to Ramos. There's a chance for a second free throw. Second free throw by Ramos. No basket. Rebound by Cultura. Cultura now pass to number 21. Looking for the pass to number. Last of by Alhambra, number 9. Last 2 minutes for the third quarter. Last stepping line for a portal, number 8, stepping line. Last 2 minutes more to play for the third quarter. Diboyo now, dribbling the ball. Naghahanap ng papasahan, pass to number 9. Number 9 now looking for an opening. Now back to number 1. Diboyo pass to last. Mali ang papasahan. Ramos now. Dire-diretso. Go. Pass to number 21. De La Cruz now. Easy shot. Basket by 21. De La Cruz. 1 minute and 30 seconds left for the third quarter. Arasa. Jump shot by number, no basket. Rebound by Alhambra. Alhambra pass to Cultura. Cultura dribbling the ball. Pass to number 1. Diboyo now. Dire-diretso. Pass to Cultura. Cultura. Yes! One shot by Cultura. Last 1 minute. Substitution rep.
Foul on number 16.
27 out. Number 20 in. Number 14 out. 21 in. Yeah. No basket by them. 1 minute and 4 seconds. 1 minute and 4 seconds left for the third quarter. No basket. Rebound by number.
Foul on number 21. Fourth personal foul. 2 free throws.
Okay. Substitution rep. 21 out, 30 in. Pantuha. Pantuha. Ano bang? Basta pala rito. 1 minute and 3 seconds left for the third quarter. 1 minute and 3 seconds. Second, no basket. Rebound by Pantuha. There's a jump ball. 1 minute and 2 seconds. Ball position now. Hindi na.
Mabuhay, Bolo, mabuhay. Dito nakatutok.
Mabuhay ang bola po. Mabuhay texter kayo ng bola. Last 1 minute. No bastard rebound by Kultura. Kultura followed by Kultura. Yes, Kultura now. Followed by Kultura. Dribbling the ball number 20. Del derecho. Barak yun now. There's a foul.
Foul on number 9. Second personal foul. Penalty.
48 seconds left for the third quarter. 48 seconds.
Subo kay Leo.
Score 60-42 in favor of Mabuhay.
Sa decision ref. Sa decision ref. Out anong number po? 24 out. 47 in. De Leon. Diboyo now. Okay, time. 40 seconds left. 40 seconds. Jump shot. Basket. 30 seconds. $25 seconds. 20 seconds. 15 seconds. 11 seconds. Seconds. Left.
Foul on number 13.
10 seconds
Second
left.
personal foul number 13. Penalty.
10 seconds left for the third quarter.
Yan, gumaling si Maki.
Thank you, Mama.
45-62 score in favor of Mabuhay.
Basket. 5 seconds.